Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a briefing doc covering your sources in NotebookLM. When you're in your notebook, go to the Studio column on the right, click on Reports, Briefing Doc. Right here, it's an overview of your sources featuring key insights and quotes, and notice the little edit pencil. If you click on that, you will be able to change the language of the briefing doc. And notice again that this prompt that sort of describes what this briefing doc is supposed to do, it's already typed out. If you want to make some changes to it, you can, but a prompt that is designed to generate what NotebookLM considers a briefing doc to be is already in there. So it already knows what it wants. You can just change it if you want, but this is going to be the sort of guiding principle behind the creation of this document. I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to click generate. And like with all of these studio artifacts, it may take some time to generate. So once again, I will likely pause the recording and wait for it to finish and then pick it up again then. So as you can see, my briefing doc on the factory model of education is done. So let me just click on that. Opens right up in the studio column. Factory model of education, historical reality, metaphor, and the path forward. Very detailed description and briefing for what those sources can include. Notice there are 7 sources, so it's going to summarize, I think, all of them. And again, like with any of these artifacts, you can copy the content and paste it into some other resource that you're going to use. You can copy bits and pieces of it. Just really fantastic way to generate content that you want your students to interact with or just to learn from. It's just a really great way to do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.